Welcome to Western Estates in beautiful Brookings, South Dakota, where community, convenience, and a little bit of country charm come together. If you're looking for a home in a place that feels like, well, home, this is it. Check it out. One of the best parts of living here, you're just minutes away from the nature park with wide open green spaces, scenic walking trails, and even a dog park for your four-legged best friend. Whether you're into morning jogs, evening strolls, or just soaking in that fresh South Dakota air, you got it all right here. Oh, and sports fans, you're gonna love this. The ball diamonds are just right around the corner, making it easy to catch a summer game. Plus, with the Brookings bike trail system weaving through the area, you can hop on two wheels and explore the whole area basically in your backyard. Because hey, let's talk about where you'll be living, because this home, it's the real deal. At 108 Wagon Wheel Circle, this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been beautifully updated and kept in top shape. A few years back, it had a paint makeover, newer flooring, and a layout that makes the most of every square foot. A new furnace in 2020 and a front door in 2022. All appliances are included, so you can move right in, unpack, and start enjoying your new space right away. And the neighborhood, it's friendly and super welcoming. Whether you're a first-time home buyer, downsizing, or just looking for a fantastic location, Western Estates is the place to be. So, what are you waiting for? This home won't last long. You're gonna love living here. Call one of the Brookings Home Team agents today to check it out for yourself. We're the Brookings Home Team. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Bye for now.